O ni po'y sinabi ng Santo Papa, kanitang taluing miyabi-yabela, hanggang pepayaws na, magrepresenta ketang kaya katamong pegumpisang kanita kediking sapang batu, at kareng udakala parokya, at ulang grupo itang usandang synodality. This year's theme, ngayon po, ngayon panahon na ini, ausan tayang We Are Not Alone, inspired by Pope Francis' synod on synodality as journey towards one church. Agagan na kayo pa po kanita, tang papayaws tamong grupo-grupo keni, hanggang maselan pa ka face mask tamo, mag-synodality tamo po. Iti po yung making culmination na last year October, King Roma. Na po. Tintang apat na representative ka rin. Abe Bishop ng Bodabit ka rin. At long obispo po may itong lay person. It reminds us that God is always with us. We are with each other as a community, as a church, as family. Like in the gospel, the disciples are called together and they are sent as companions. Ang buhay natin sa simbahan, hindi kanya-kanya. Tamo po magkanya-kanya, imbiya tamo. The call of each person is not isolated. Ausana kataning Diyos ay tang ika mo yung ausana. Yes, the call is personal. Ika ay ausana ka. Pero ausana tamong miyabe-yabe. The call of the 12 disciples is in the context of being called and chosen with the rest. Called and chosen together. The feast that we celebrate is also the Feast of the Apostles. Ngapin po nung pansinan nyo, Jesus called the 72 and sent them by pairs. He called the 12 in the Gospel and sent them by pairs. He called them together and we are sent together, never alone. Tamo po magdili-dili. Bala mo rin pundasyon ni kaya katampisamban. Kahit siya po rin pundasyon ni kaya katampisamban. No man makatalaga dilan-dili rin. Nung lalon-lalon nyo la, tila pumbim. Makatuglong la kimbalang metong. Kahit tila pumbim na yung kaya hanggang kay lalam, hanggang kay babo. Pota ka nung deng asyas, pituglong-tuglong mula. Ing tibeda, dobli-dobli. Kesa king metong yung makatalakad. Like the apostles, they are foundations of our church and they never stand alone. Through Him, the whole structure is held together and grows into a temple sacred for the Lord. In Him, you are also built together into a dwelling place of God in the Spirit. Ako, nangkay pupunta ko rin restaurant. Pero keng bumbiya ko, pa yata aranasan na may nga ko kay restaurant, akong dili. Panay ko tingkayabe. I always go with the group, with friends, with family. At iping meto ka libro. Yung title na ba naman libro? Title na, Never Eat Alone. Kamamang ni kandili. Hanggang agyo mo, masating-ating ang kayabe. Ating kang kayagnan. Ating kang kakwento kabang mamangang ka. King Japan, bali po kayong Japan. Nung munta ka Japan, ano po karakal dahil restaurant, metong yung malating lamesa po metong luklukan. Solo seat sada. Itang pag metong luklukan, pag metong lamesa. Kaya tiyata Pilipinas, alang masyadong makanita na eh. Kaya rakalan karay lamesa tamo, mga kabala, madakalaluklukan, abi-abela. Many eateries have chairs and tables facing the wall, alone. Mga kay, kandili mo, makairap ka kayong pader. Ala kang kayabe. Kanita pong minuna, nung agaga na kayo, deng pari, nita minunang panahon. Deng pari, pwede lang magmisang ilan dili. Kunyari mo, wala akong misa ngayon ng Aldoiti, muling wala akong misa, akong dili ko magmisa ko. Kanita, King Rome, ang pakarang batwang pisamban, at ilang bala mo, cubicles, yung pari, ang magmisa, yung dili na. At ako po, kayong pangapari ko, siguro yung bayong panahon na ngayon, yung puwara nasa ng magmisa ko nga akong dili. May nasa pane, ating kayabe. Now it's almost unimaginable to celebrate the Eucharist alone. It's always presupposing a community, a group of celebrating and praying community. At pong kasabihan King Africa nga na, alone, you go fast. But together, we go farther. Nung ikandili, mabilis imbi. Ala kang kukutnan, ala kang panenayan, ala kang intinjan. Pero potang ating ng kayabe, mapalyaring ay mabilis. Pero mas marayo, ingdasan nyo. Nga napinitang may itong philosopher, nitang estudyante kami. French philosopher ya po. In the century po rin, Gabriel Marcel. Esse est co esse. It translate to be is to be together or to be with the other. This quote by Gabriel Marcel as an existentialist philosopher means that the essence of living is to love someone. The only real way to live as persons is to live with the other. Ing tunay kabaldugan ni maging tao, ing makipagkapwa-tao, ing makisalamuha at makyabe karengaliwa. Mananasa ng iting kaya katang may pabalita. Kalupad na rin apostol, ausa na katamo ning Diyos. Abi-abi tamong mididenan upaya, ban sumuyo king kayang kayarian. We are not alone. Sila yun, po ng anak, po ng banal na Espiritu.
Amen.